So whilst we're in the process of restowing, I thought I'd give you an update on the zipper fixer. Or the zipper fix attempt that I tried on the stretcher bag. Remember this bag? Where I had that zipper blowout? As you can tell, the operation did not go well. She blew out good and proper down this end now. I could probably still recover it, may be able to save it, but I mean this thing's only probably about, however old it was, I can't remember. I think I brought it from one of the anacondas down near Melbourne when I was camping in one of the national parks here out the back of Yea. But it only gets used 3 or 4 times a year, and I'm very particular about the way I pack it because I like everything nice and compact. Everything fitting together. So now I have to see if I can fix that again but at a better level, or do I try and get a replacement from Dune four-wheel drive, or do I see if I can come up with an alternative way to do it? I don't like stuff being loose, I don't like stuff being open, I'd rather it be all packed away in a nice own little bag. But we'll see what happens. So the other thing as well, it wasn't just a zipper that exploded, disconnected, stopped working. It's also the bag started to separate as well. I mean, ex-army, we can tend to treat things a little bit roughly, but I mean, it's got to question whether the bag was of, I'm not going to question the quality, but was it at the right size? I mean, could you just add, it's a question that nobody really wants to hear. Could you just put a little couple more mils on there at least? Just so we can get in there nice and snug. Doesn't have to be super tight, right? It's just got to fit in there properly. There's another tip. Put everything down at the lowest possible place. That way it can't fall any further, right? That's what they told me 30 odd years ago. I don't know how well this is going to go. Not sure at all, because I've got that. I'll just feed that in there. If I just get a start, just the tip. Just the tip and let it happen from there, right? I don't think it's going to happen though, looking at that. It gets in there but it won't feed through because that bit at the end, but if I cut that bit off the end off, it's going to, what? Yes, I'm breathing heavy, I'm sorry for the mic. It happens when I concentrate. I don't think that's going to, because it starts sitting in there, but it's not starting. Now it's not ending. There we go. I wonder if because it needs to be there. That felt good. I'll get on the other end. The other end's still good. See? The other end hasn't separated at all. I think it might be time to retire the bag and see if I can get a replacement. I'm not buying another fucking stretcher just to get a new bag, because that would be shite. It's not even missing a tooth in the zipper anyway. No, I don't think it's going to work. I don't think that's going anywhere. If I do feed that through to start with, I think I'm down a fucking stretcher bag, because it just doesn't want to. And I don't know how to feed that through. It's not really a give it a clout if in doubt type situation. I'm just going to get the shits with this. Now, new bag time. Well, reach out to Dune four-wheel drive and see if I can get a replacement bag. That really sucks. So even though we've identified that the zipper is dead, making the bag least functional, I was still able to come up with a workaround that kept everything in the proverbial one sock. I'm missing one. Oh well, it'll be around somewhere. That's an elastic. There goes that fucking plan. And that wouldn't work anyway because those legs would slide out. Ah, there it is. Found it. Yep. Old man noises, I know. So let's see if we've got a workaround for this thing. With what I've got available at the moment, without having to go to Bunnings or any other shop where I always end up buying more than what I wanted to. Oh, this would almost be a perfectly wrapped fucking packed fucking swag bag. Swag stretcher fucking thingy. What's it called again? Platform. Almost. It ain't gonna do it. Not that it matters because I've got no zippers to zip it up with. Now, let's have a look at these. I thought I had an idea with these. So these will keep everything in. And if I can adjust these appropriately, it might just keep everything nice and compact. It's not going to keep it dustproof or waterproof or rainproof or any other proof, but my body won't be touching it directly anyway, so it doesn't matter. Not too concerned about that. But as a workaround, it may work around it. Let's see. There we go. Get in there. Clip. Here a clip. There's a clip. It's not pretty. It's not desirable. But it does the job.